You know that it is feasible for you to make 1 million naira to 2 million naira every month consistently simply by selling what's inside of your brain. It's absolutely impossible without you scamming or being in gimmicks to anyone.
So it begins with identifying what you know. And you do know something, or have a skill, or have an experience. All you really need to do is find out what that thing is.
Do not stop at identifying what you know. How do people benefit from what you know? Create digital products. Create value that people can appreciate and pay you for it.
When people can't find you, they cannot connect with you. And when they cannot connect with you, they cannot buy from you. So the next step is you need to be visible.
Visibility is great, but that wouldn't cut it out for you. Don't just show up. You need to learn effective marketing systems and strategies to make people listen to what you have to offer.
So this Sunday at 8 p.m., I'm inviting you to just a 1-hour webinar where we're going to be showing you in details what you need to do, what you need to start doing so that you can make a minimum of 1 million naira every month just by selling your knowledge. So I'm inviting you. It's absolutely free. Go ahead and tap the button that you see below this video or around this video so that you can be part of the webinar. Spend time, listen to the webinar, watch the webinar, take the lessons, and you'll be right on your way to making that amount of money every month. I look forward to seeing you. Ciao, ciao.